AMSOIL Diesel All-In-One-Fuel Additive delivers all-season protection and performance. AMSOIL Diesel All-in-One combines the superior detergency and improved lubricity of AMSOIL Diesel Injector Clean, the excellent cold flow and anti-gelling properties of AMSOIL Diesel Cold Flow, and the increased horsepower and cetane of AMSOIL Cetane Boost in one convenient package, providing the full potency and benefits of all three products. It is safe for use in all diesel fuels, including biodiesel. Diesel All-in-One is specially engineered to provide exceptional all-season protection for a serious performance boost. One dose delivers outstanding detergency, improved lubricity, better cold flow and higher cetane. Diesel All-in-One lubricates pumps and injectors to reduce wear. Today's ultra-low sulfur diesel fuel provides significantly reduced lubricity, a critical property in controlling wear in fuel pumps and injectors. Diesel All-in-One adds the lubricity the fuel pump and injectors need, reducing wear, improving service life and saving time and money on maintenance costs. Diesel All-in-One improves fuel quality for peak performance fuel with a higher cetane number and provides more complete burn, resulting in improved performance. By increasing cetane, Diesel All-in-One improves the ignition quality of diesel fuel, maximizing available power and improving starting. It also smooths idle and reduces smoke and emissions. Diesel All-in-One helps prevent gelling. As the temperature drops, the wax naturally found in diesel fuel begins to crystallize. The point at which wax crystals form is known as the cloud point. These wax crystals eventually clog the fuel filter and starve the engine of fuel, preventing it from starting. While low-quality fuels may form wax crystals in temperatures as warm as 40 degrees Fahrenheit, most fuels have a cloud point near 32 degrees Fahrenheit. The point at which the crystals clog the fuel filter is known as the cold filter plugging point. Diesel All-in-One lowers the cold filter plugging point by up to 40 degrees Fahrenheit in today's ultra-low sulfur diesel fuel. Key benefits of Diesel All-in-One include: cleans dirty injectors, restores power and torque, reduces smoke and emissions, combats fuel system corrosion, provides significant lubricity improvement in diesel fuels found across the U.S., delivering improved wear protection, provides excellent all-season protection and performance. Get your Diesel All-in-One today. To order, follow the link in the description, or go to OILPROTECH.com and click on the Shop Now link. Thanks, have a great day.